We were not ordained to earn, to succeed. We were ordained to be faithful. The world passes away, assignments end, parishes change, titles fade, material things rot, but the one who does the will of God remains forever. One of the greatest dangers in priesthood today is not persecution, but comfort. Comfort can dull our zeal. Power can isolate us. Materialism can quietly convince us that we deserve more. And before we realize it, we are no longer shepherds walking with the people. We become executives protecting our space. But Jesus was not born in comfort. He was laid in a manger, and he never stopped giving himself away. If Christmas means anything for us as priests, it is this: God saves the world not by taking, but by giving. My dear brothers and sisters, many of the most beautiful fruits of priesthood are hidden. Prayers whispered in silence, tears shed alone before the Blessed Sacrament, help and support for less fortunate members of the flock, faithfulness on days when joy feels absent. The Gospel of Luke ends with a simple but consoling line. The child grew and became strong, filled with wisdom, and the favor of God was upon him. You see, even Jesus grew gradually. So must we. If you feel unfinished, tired, or still learning, do not be discouraged. Grace is at work even when growth feels hidden. God is patient with us. Let us be patient with ourselves, okay? My dear brother priest, this Christmas, as your Archbishop, I ask you not to prove more, not to acquire more, not to impress more, but to love more, freely, joyfully, and generously.